Hello and welcome to Someka Google Sheets tips video. In this video, we're going to use SUMIF formula in Google Sheets. SUMIF formula allows us to sum the values in a specific range if they meet a given condition. So I have my data for demonstration purposes, so let's calculate the total values of assignments that are done. I'm going to choose the cells with the status data, and I'm going to manually write the status we are looking for. Now I'm going to choose the cells with the value data. Now we have our result. We can just type the condition into the formula, like this one. Our condition can be dynamic and come from a cell. So I'm going to use the SUMIF formula again. So I'm going to choose our range. Now I'm going to choose our criteria and choose the cells with the value data. Now we have the same result. Let's calculate the total values of assignments with the priority of 3 and 4. So let's add our new condition here. Let's choose the cells with the priority data, greater to, and we're going to choose the cells with the value data. Now we have our result. And lastly, let's calculate the total value of the assignments that are before January 5th. So let's write down our before date. Since our condition is date, I'm going to choose the dates and put smaller and choose our criteria. And now we have our result. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.